Hey guys, Coach Ali here at Fight Fitness Center. I would like to show you guys how to wrap your hands properly. So that's the way how I wrap it. You can follow me. Most of the hand wraps, they have written part on it. This says which side down, which side up. So this is this side down. Start from with your thumb. Go around your wrist, around your thumb. Then you go around your knuckles. When you wrap around your knuckles, it covers part of your fingers as well. It's a long hand wrap, 180 inches. You have options to wrap the parts you feel pressure when you're punching more than other parts. So we go around our knuckles few times. Then you go around your wrist, one by one, between your fingers, go back around your wrist. Between your fingers, around your wrist. Again, last one, between your fingers, around your wrist, then you go in your palm to hold everything together. Then you finish it around your wrist. Again, if you feel when you're punching the bag, your wrist hurts, you should wrap more around your wrist. Or if you want to build more knuckles here, go more around your fist and fingers. So basically that's all it is. All right.